Hey guys, it's San and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a squishy painting, makeover, redecorating, whatever you want to call it. So today I'm going to be doing this squishy you see right here. It's like a cat got stuck in an ice cream cup thingy. I don't know, and I don't know what's up with those ice cream colors. I thought this looked super weird, but like I also thought when I saw it that it'd be a cool thing to paint. So I am first gonna start off getting my stuff ready. I'm using fabric paint for this. I did sand it off camera ahead of time because if you don't know, you want to sand your squishies before you paint them, so the paint sticks to the surface of the squishy. So what I'm first gonna do is just paint the entire squishy white. Now I loved how the cup part squished, so originally I didn't want to paint that. At some point I do paint it because it just got like messy. So what I'm doing here is I am mixing a paint color. And I decided that I wanted it to be a chocolate strawberry theme because my idea was that this would be a Valentine's Day squishy. So I decided that the cat would be a little strawberry cat. So we're gonna paint it pink, and then there's the other little strawberries on here, and they're gonna be pink too. So chocolate strawberries to me seem like a Valentine's Day thing. I don't really know why, but it just does. I mean, I think you give like chocolate covered strawberries for Valentine's Day. I don't know. But that's what my idea with this was. So I just needed one coat to cover this up. So that's what I did. I'm gonna do a little like leaf thing at the top of the cat. So that's why I left that part white a little bit. So now I'm painting the little strawberries. I'm using the same color for the cat. Okay, then I decided that I would add a little strawberry drizzle thing to the top of it. So the very top of it is gonna be whipped cream, so that's why that's getting left white. And then where the next like little layer starts of the ice cream, that's where I'm starting to do some little drips of some strawberry stuff. And I'm just making it kind of random and going around and just adding some little strawberry drips. So after I did that, it was time to add the chocolate ice cream. And I decided that's the color I wanted to make it, or that's the flavor I wanted to make it. And so I had it brown, but I made a little bit lighter of a brown, and I just mixed it until I got that chocolatey color. And this took a couple of coats, but not going too close to the edges first, and then in a second I will go close to the edges. And I'm just cleaning it all up now. So like I said, it did need a second coat, so I went over it with a second coat, and yeah, that was the chocolate ice cream. So now I made a very light pink color, and I'm just adding it to the paws to make the paws just a little different than the rest of the body. I took some of this pink and added it to the cheeks, and I had to go over that a couple of times, and that took a lot of fixing up to do. I also took this light pink and added it to the insides of the ears. I just did a little triangle for the ear detail. Okay, then I took that same light pink and I added some little, I guess, highlights maybe. I don't really know what my idea behind this was, but like a little highlight to the little drizzle stuff. Then I took a darker than the cat pink, and I'm giving the cat a little bow. I took the same darker pink and made 2 little dots for the eyes. I'm gonna add black dots to the eyes later, so don't worry, that's not how they look. I gave it a little nose with the same darker pink. And then I decided to not give it a mouth. I thought that looked cuter. I took the same darker pink. I basically used that dark pink for all like the details stuff of the pink stuff. I gave little stripes on the cat's feet. I did that for the little strawberry dots. Then I added some more coats to the whipped cream part because that part was going to be left white, so I wanted it to be very white. Okay, then I am taking my silver metallic fabric paint and I am painting the rim of the bowl. That was the goal initially, and I wasn't going to paint the bottom part. I do end up painting the bottom part white at some point, but this metallic paint definitely needs a lot of coats, and it does dry somehow a little bit darker than it like goes on initially. Like after one coat, like I was like, it's so sheer, it's gonna need like 100 coats, and then once I came back after it dried, it looked a lot better. So it did need like 3 or 4 coats, but yeah. So now I am starting on the little leaves. So I added a little green leaf to the top of the little cat's head. I just did 3 little pokey parts. It's like its little hair, and then you can see I had added the black to the eyes. I guess I didn't show that part. and I added a little bit of yellow to the leaf on the cat. Then I added the same green to the strawberries. And now I am adding some little sprinkles. I just made a small little line for each sprinkle, and I'm only doing the sprinkles on the whipped cream part. And yeah, I just used all the colors of the rainbow and just made some tiny little sprinkles. Then I'm adding a little bit of white to the eyes. And then I am painting the cup white. And then that's it. That's all I did on this squishy. So I hope you liked my squishy painting. I don't know if I can call it a makeover. Does Moriah Elizabeth have that trademarked or not? I don't know. But my squishy painting, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if you want to. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!